Hi everyone, welcome back to another amazing recipe, and today we are going to see how to make delicious stir-fried rice noodles with veggies. Well, stir-fried rice noodles is one of those dishes that never fails to hit the spot, and it's one of my favorite. It's versatile, quick and easy meal that's perfect for any time of the day. Plus, you can customize it with your favorite veggies and sauces to give it that extra kick. So friends, let's get started with this healthy, delicious and gluten-free rice noodles with veggies, which I'm sure you're going to love it. So for this recipe, I'll be including lots of colorful veggies like baby corn cut diagonally to this shape and size, red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into long strips like this. Then you'll also need a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, lots of minced garlic, some roughly chopped spring onions. Then here in this bowl I've taken some carrots cut into thin long strips like this, a medium-sized onion cut into juliennes. Next, here in this bowl I've taken some cabbage cut lengthwise into medium thickness. Then I'll also include some Pak Choi, which I personally love to include whenever I make stir-fry Asian recipes. Then here in this plate I have taken some broccoli cut into small portions like this and some beans cut diagonally. Now if you want to include any protein of your choice, you can add in it. But today I will cook my rice noodles with lots of colorful veggies only. And here is the packet of rice noodles, which is naturally gluten-free and cholesterol-free. Well, in markets and online apps you will get two varieties. One is rice noodles or rice sticks, and the other is rice vermicelli, which is very thin. And as per the packet instruction, we need to boil it for 6 to 8 minutes. But before we get started, let's make a spicy and flavorful sauce. For that, we'll take a bowl and into it goes 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Next goes a teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Then I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. This is Schezwan sauce, adding around 1.5 tablespoon of it, or as per your spice level. And now let's mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. And our spicy and flavorful sauce for our stir-fried rice noodles is also ready. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that, I've already heated some water in a karai, into which I will add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of oil. Let's give this a stir once. And as the water starts to boil, we will add the rice noodles. And on medium to high flame, we need to cook them for about 6 to 7 minutes or until they are soft and tender. But do keep checking them in between. It's almost 5 minutes now. Let's check the noodles once. It's not cooked fully and I'm going to boil them for another 1 to 2 minutes. Let's check the noodles now. If the noodles breaks easily, it means they are done. So now I'm going to turn off the flame, drain the water off and rinse the noodles with normal water until the starch is gone. And now to stir fry the rice noodles and veggies, we'll heat some oil in a kadhai or wok, and when the oil is hot enough, we will add the finely chopped garlic and ginger. And on medium flame, we will saute them until they turn aromatic and golden brown. And now to start with the veggies, we will first add the broccoli, French beans and baby corns as they take longer time to get cooked. We'll stir them for a few seconds. I'll add a little bit of salt now so that the veggies get cooked faster. We'll mix this once. And now I'm going to cover and cook the veggies on medium flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. After about 1 to 2 minutes, we will stir the veggies once. They are almost 80% cooked. And now into this we will add the carrot strips and the cabbage. We'll now stir them for a few seconds. Next into this, I'm going to add the baby bok choy or pak choy. You can customize the veggies as per your preference, and you can also add here mushrooms, tofu or chicken chunks. We'll stir this once. I'm now going to season the veggies with little salt and black pepper as per taste. But remember, we had added little salt earlier also, so adjust the quantity accordingly. We'll mix the salt and black pepper well with the veggies. And as the cabbage and bok choy starts to wilt, we will add the onion juliennes as well as the red, green and yellow bell peppers. We'll give this a quick stir as we want to retain the crunch of the veggies. And now time to add the prepared spicy and flavorful sauce. We'll quickly mix this once. Alright, and now time to add the boiled rice noodles. And now on medium to high flame, we will stir fry the rice noodles until they are well combined with the veggies and sauces. And friends, this stir fry rice noodles with veggies is not just delicious, but is also a healthy alternative to the regular noodles as they are gluten-free and low in calories. And our rice noodles is almost ready, but just before turning off the flame, we will add the roughly chopped spring onions. We'll toss this for a few seconds. That's it. Our delicious stir-fried rice noodles with veggies is now ready to be served and enjoyed hot. So friends, I hope you try this amazing stir-fried rice noodles recipe. Also share your feedbacks and you can check out my other interesting recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.